Mike Pfeiffer. Today is the 26th, day after Christmas. I filmed some video today, a little bit today and a little bit yesterday. I'm going to show you what Robin got me, one of the things Robin got me for Christmas, a new Atlas GP30 in the BNSF colors. It's been out a while, but I asked her for it. She saved it for me for Christmas. She also got me another horny toad. You guys have likely seen my horny toad collection up on the wall here, and I'm going to add him to the collection. She also every year gets me a new Hallmark airplane, which you guys have probably seen on the ceiling. So I'm going to hang this up on the ceiling at some point in time this weekend, and I'm just going to do some running of the new locomotive. I just wanted to mention, and I'm not ever going to go into this because it's too difficult to explain on every model, and there will be some argument with some people. One is a Walthers BNSF GP38-2, I believe, and the GP30 is the new one I got for Christmas is an Atlas. Both of them have had Kato motors installed in them. The GP60Ms, Fox Valley models that you see running around here, also have Kato motors in them. But anyway, let's take a look at some trains running on the ACT today. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed a little bit of train running on the ACT. Trying to keep up with the videos a little better now. Like I say, today is the day after Christmas, and what I've done here seems to be working well. And I'm hoping to get back to the rehab area here, phase 1 of the rehab area soon. And I hope you guys stay tuned. And as usual, you guys take care, and we'll see you on the next one. Merry Christmas, by the way.